I think a lot of Filipinos must be deaf. I'm only going off how loud they play the music. Or is it just because I'm getting a bit old? I don't know. Joke lang. Now, Iriga is still in Camarines Sur, which is obviously still part of Bicol. Okay, there's a police cordon and they're stopping people from coming down here. But as you can see, we've not missed everything, and these kids are waiting. These kids are waiting to carry on. This looks like the main event anyway, where all the different kids competing come and perform in front of them. I think there's going to be something else in a minute. I've just been thinking, when in the first part of the video you might see me making a little joke about these guys' wigs and stuff, but on reflection I'm thinking it's a bit politically incorrect with them having brown faces and stuff as well. I don't know, I may be wrong. I just thought it may be a valid point. There you go, there's a DJI drone. Now the one I had was a Q500, which I believe is better than the DJI, but I suppose there's some DJI owners out there that will say the opposite. But they're using the drone to get some good aerial shots. Although I'm saying I don't particularly like that drone, it is a good drone. And again, like mine, they're very easy to fly. The battery gets to about 50%, the drone will just come and land where it took off. I don't know what's happening here, guys, but somebody important's coming. Got a police motorbike escort. So I'll move back before a policeman takes the initiative and moves me out of the way. Drone. It doesn't matter how windy it is, guys, as well, that drone will stay virtually solid and the footage will be like it's not moving. They're fantastic, absolutely fantastic, and that's the kind of footage you're going to get. They've got to be careful though, because the electrical wires can interfere with the transmission. My God, they've recognised me. I'm famous. I'm going back to my motorbike, and it's getting dark now. Hello.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
And all the people are friendly here, which I've never met anything less, really. But the place is all right, but it's no Naga. Definitely not.